City lights were fading low, Jerusalem asleep below. Nicodemus walked alone, questions heavy in his soul. Teacher of the law by name, still he knew something had changed. He saw the signs, he felt the fire, a holy truth he could not hide. So he came in the midnight air, found Jesus waiting quietly there, and with trembling words he said, Rabbi, God is with you, you make us born again. Wash our hearts from deep within, open heaven, break the chains, call us children in your name. Spirit breathe, let mercy fall, new life starts when we surrender all. To see the kingdom, to walk in grace, we must be born again. Into his eyes, spoke of truth beyond the skies. No one sees the Father's ray unless they're born again. Not power, not by pride, not by rules you try to hide behind, but by water and the Spirit's flame. Your heart awake, the wind blows where it wants to go. You can't control what heaven knows, but every soul the Spirit finds will never be the same. You make us born again, wash our hearts from deep within, open heaven, break the chains, call us children in your name. Spirit breathe, let mercy fall, new life starts when we surrender all. To see the kingdom, to walk in grace, we must be born again. Silence filled the narrow street, wonder brought him to his knees. All the wisdom he once held could not save his soul, but hope began to rise inside like the dawn after the night. And the words of Jesus burned deep within his heart. He came searching in the dark, left carrying eternal light. A brand new life had just begun, mercy called him home. Religion cannot change a soul, only God can make us whole. Grace is more than what we know, his love rewrites our hearts. Every sinner, every saint, every broken, every afraid, come alive, step into the light. He can make you new tonight. You make us born again, wash our hearts from deep within, open heaven, break the chains, call us children in your name. Spirit breathe, let mercy fall, new life starts when we surrender all. To see the kingdom, to walk in grace, we must be born again.